Hello children, how are you? I'm again back with a third video. You remember me, isn't it? Yes, I'm Madhuri, again back with your English class. Okay, 6th class, English class. Mostly I'm teaching grammar only. Okay, small, simple points I'm teaching you. Okay, degrees of comparison I started. In the second video, I started degrees of comparison. Okay, we could finish only 2 rules. Yes, now degrees of comparison, with what is it related? It is related with adjectives. So I taught you adjectives before, isn't it? An adjective is a word which modifies a noun or a pronoun. So degrees of comparison is related with adjectives only. If you know adjectives, all the adjectives you'll be changing into comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, now what is the first rule that we learned? First rule, it should be a one syllabic word. The word should not be broken. If you can't break the word into 2 or 3, only one syllable, okay, that is a one syllabic word. A syllable means what? Breaking the word. Now it should not be broken, only one syllable should be there. Okay, that time what will you do to make it comparative and superlative degrees? You add ER or R to make comparative degree and EST or ST to make superlative degrees. Yes, that is the first rule. Now second rule, again that adjective should be one syllabic only. But the ending letter should be a consonant. The ending letter should be a consonant. One example I'll give you. Fat. Okay, fat. T. T is a consonant, isn't it? Last letter should be a consonant. Consonant and vowels, you know, no? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Okay, leave those 5 vowels and the rest 21 are consonants. Okay, that last letter should be a consonant. And preceding that consonant should be a vowel. Before that consonant should be a vowel. Okay, this is a consonant and this is a vowel. Okay, that time how will you change it into what is that called? Comparative degree and superlative degree. That time this consonant will become double. This consonant will become double. Okay, and after doubling this consonant, add ER or EST and then make it comparative and superlative degree. Fat. Yes, this is positive degree. Fatter. Didn't I double that consonant here? Fatter, fattest. That is the second rule. Okay, I hope you remember till here. Now the third rule. Yes, I have it already here. Now the third rule, adjectives ending in Y. See, ending in Y. Before rule, consonant. Now particularly Y. Adjectives ending in Y preceded by a consonant. Adjectives ending in Y. Y also is a consonant. But particularly we are given Y. Before that Y, you should have a consonant preceded by a consonant. See, be busy. B-U-S-Y. There is Y in the end. Before that consonant. Okay, this also is a consonant, but there is a particular rule for us. Consonant, Y, before that is a consonant. That time, this Y will change into I. B-U-S-Y, busy. This Y will change into B-U-S-I. Add ER and EST to make it comparative and superlative degree. Busy, busier, busiest. Okay? Third rule, is it clear? I have few more examples here. We'll do it together. Okay. Busy already I have explained. Busier, busier, busiest. S-I-E-S-T. That Y will become I. Add ER, busier, Y has become I and you have added est, busiest. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now next one, lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Z consonant, this Y. L-A-Z. Y becomes I said no? Changes into I. I-E-R. Lazier, laziest. Lazier, laziest. Okay, next, happy. H-A-P-P. This Y changes into I-E-R. Happier, happiest. Right? Clear this rule? Jolly. J-O-L-L-I-E-R. Jollier. What? Because Y changes into I. Jollier, jolliest. S-T. Jollier, jolliest. Is the third rule also clear for you? First rule, second rule, and the third rule we could finish now. Now we have 7 rules, okay, totally. And after that, few small tips you have to follow, and you'll be perfect in degrees of comparison. So third rule, is it clear? Yes. Now let me go to the fourth rule. Okay, rule number 4. Hope this is clear. Okay, adjectives. Degrees of comparison will be dealing only with adjectives. Okay, so now adjectives should be long. Okay, long adjectives with more than one syllable. Yes, rule number 4. Long adjectives. Long adjectives with more than one syllable. With more than one syllable. With more than one syllable. Okay, one syllable. Yes, with more, you should have more than one syllable. Long adjectives. Okay, more than one syllable. That time, add more to make comparative and most to make superlative. Okay? Yes, this is the fourth rule. Now, here you should have long adjectives. Yes, with more than one syllable. Till now, one syllable, I told you. Now, long adjectives with more than one syllable. It can be 2 syllables also. Yes, that time, add more to positive degree to make it comparative degree, and add most to positive degree to make it superlative degree. Example I'm giving you. You'll have a better understanding. Okay, now positive degree I'm writing here. Okay, then comparative. Next, superlative. Okay. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay? Yes, first one. Active. Sorry, T-I-V-E. Active. Okay, this is an adjective. Yes. How many syllables are there? Try to divide it. Act plus if. Act if. Act plus if. Active. Isn't it? There are 2 syllables. What is the rule saying? More than one syllable. It should not be one. It should be more than one syllable. See. More than one syllable. Okay. Act plus if. 2 syllables, right? That time, what should you do? Add more to make it comparative degree, and add most to make it superlative degree. So, more active, most active. Okay? Isn't it clear? Yes, active, act plus if, positive degree. More active, most active. Yes, positive, comparative, superlative. Clear? Now, few more examples I'll give you. Polite. polite. Third one, beautiful. Okay? Po plus light. Beau. T, full. I'm dividing the syllables. Po plus light. Beautiful. Okay, this one you leave it. Now you just find out whether they are one syllabic word or two syllabic word. Okay, here more than one. Polite. So po plus light, two syllables, right? So more polite, most polite. Okay, more polite, most polite. Next, beautiful, more beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Yes, long adjectives. You can just follow. If the word is a long one, yes, add more and most. That is enough. Easy trick to remember. Okay, if the word is long, if the adjective is long, okay, not busy, like that small one, you think of, but rules are very easy, think of. But when you find a long word like this, okay, in one go, if you are not able to pronounce it, that means long adjectives. That time add more and most to make it what? Comparative and superlative degrees. So third rule and fourth rule. Is it clear? So we finished 2, 3, 4. 4 rules we finished. Now the fifth rule is irregular comparisons. Yes, that also is very easy. This one, is it clear, Nana? Is it clear for everyone? Now the fifth rule, yes, irregular comparisons. Irregular means what? Regular means like this. We'll have ER, EST or more polite or most polite. But here we may not have like that. Okay, irregular comparisons. IRREGULAR. Irregular. Irregular comparisons. Okay, now I say good. For positive degree, I'll say positive degree. I say good. Yes, can I say gooder, goodest? He is the goodest one in the class? No. For comparative. I'm writing it here, okay? Comparative degree and superlative degree. Superlative degree. Okay, I said good. Okay, this is an adjective only, So, one syllabic adjective. Do. I can say now good. One syllabic adjective. And I said irregular comparison. Good. Gooder, goodest is there. More good, most good, can we say? No, we should say better, best. Yes, Ram is a good boy. Yes, Ram is better than Sham. Ram is the best boy in the class. Yes, I can't say good, gooder, goodest. Isn't it? Tall, taller, tallest will be there. But good, gooder, goodest is not there. Good, better, best. These are called irregular comparisons. Okay, for much you have much, more, most, much, mucher, muchest. We can't write like that. Much more, must, most, much. We can't write. Much, more, most. Okay, next one, little. Little, littler, littlest. Little, more, little, most, little. No, little, less, least. Okay, little, less, least. Next, many also. For this, many also, the same word. many, more, most. Much also, more, most. Many also, more, most. Like that, these are called irregular comparisons. Okay, understood the fifth rule? Yes, this is the rule 5. Okay, we finished up to rule 5, isn't it? Now, rule 6. Here, it seems some adjectives, they don't have comparative degrees. Okay, some adjectives, they don't have comparative degrees, but they have superlative degrees. Okay, this is rule number 6. Some adjectives do not have comparative degrees. Comparative degree, but they have superlative degrees. Okay, superlative degrees. Yes, few adjectives are there. Okay, I'll tell you that also. Positive. Okay, first one. Next one is comparative. No comparative, it seems. Only superlative. Superlative degree. They don't have comparative degree, but they have superlative degree. What are those words? Top. Top floor, we say. Yes. Where is Mr. Kumar? We'll say Mr. Kumar is on the top floor. Okay. Top. Top more. Not there. Top most. Top, top or toppest. No. Top. Top more is not that. We can't say, there is no comparative. Top most. Okay. Few adjectives are there. Some adjectives, they don't have comparative degrees, but they have superlative degrees. Bottom is there. Bottom. In the bottom of the river, we say. Bottom most, we can't say. We can't say bottom more. We should say bottom most. Bottom most. Okay, we can't say bottom more. We should say only bottom most. And the third one, and this is northern. Yes, northern. We have the habit of saying northern and northern. No, it is not northern, it is northern. Northern more, we can't say northern most only. Northern most. Okay, these are few degrees of comparison where we don't have comparative degree, but we have only superlative degrees. Okay, and one more thing, few examples are there. Okay, that is the seventh rule. What we should say. Seventh rule, few adjectives are there where we can't compare them at all. There are no comparative and no superlative degrees. Only that word stands. Okay, now let me go through that also. Hope this is clear for you. Okay, after this explaining the rules, I'll give you examples also. Then we can solve it together. Okay, we can write the comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, now here few adjectives. Some adjectives do not normally, they do not normally have degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. They stand just by themselves like that only. Okay, examples. Okay, you can't make them comparative and superlative. Only one degree is there and that is all. Round. You can't say rounder, roundest or round most, round more, round most. Okay, just round. Perfect. Perfect. Next, unique. unique. Perfect also, unique also. You can't say more perfect, most perfect. Yes, only perfect. Equal. Next, dead. Infinite. Okay, these are few examples where you can not write the comparative and superlative degrees. These are the seven rules of degrees of comparison. Okay, few exceptions are there. I'll tell you. Double comparatives are not allowed. That is wrong. Okay, after the rules, double comparatives. Okay, double comparative means what? Double comparatives means what? Comparative itself is more or er. Okay, you should not write double time. Okay, one example for that I'll give you. Yes, double comparatives. Pretty. Pretty. Ending is y. So you have to make this y as I. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Isn't it? So comparative. Prettier. Okay. So comparative will be prettier. Pretty, prettier. Okay, you can't write prettier than. Yes, you can't write prettier than. Yes, because more prettier than. More prettier than. Why you can't write more prettier than? Because prettier itself is comparative degree. So how can you make it double? 2 times. You are saying prettier, prettier. More prettier than you can't write. Yes, this is wrong. You will not have double comparatives. You should not use double comparatives. Okay, should not use double comparatives. More prettier than, like that. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. That's all. Pretty. Then I'll give you one example with pretty. Okay. Rima. Rima, name of a girl. Okay. Rima is a pretty girl. Pretty girl. Okay. I'm giving you pretty. This is positive degree. Only one girl. Rima. Singular. Okay. Then I'm trying to make it comparative degree. Okay, that means 2 girls will be compared. Rima, Sima. Okay, 2 girls. Then what should I do? I should make this comparative degree. This is positive? No. So I should change it into comparative. Then what should be the comparative of pretty? Prettier. Isn't it? But not more prettier. Isn't it? Then how will you write the sentence? Rima is far prettier than Seema. Okay, see, I used far. I didn't use more. Far prettier than Seema. Okay, then these are few exceptions, few rules that we have to follow in sentences. Okay, double comparatives should not be used. One example. Then double superlatives also are incorrect. Double superlatives. Okay, let me erase the board and then tell you. Double superlatives. Double superlatives. How double superlatives? Okay, how can we write double superlatives? Okay. Again, this one also pretty only will take. Okay, pretty. This is the positive degree. Isn't it? Prettier, prettiest. We are saying about superlatives now. So, prettiest. prettiest. Can you write most prettiest? Because it is superlative, no? No, double superlatives are not allowed. Like double comparatives, double superlatives also are not allowed. Okay, like that only prettiest itself is superlative degree. Then why do you need to use most? No need of using. One example I'll give you. Okay. Yes. Queen. Padmini is a pretty queen. Yes, Padmini, she is a queen. Okay, one name just like that I took. She is a pretty queen. Now, we have to make it superlative. Yes, so pretty, what will be the superlative of pretty? Prettiest, not most prettiest, only prettiest. This itself is superlative degree. Then why do you need to use this? Yes, we don't use double superlative. So, Padmini is the most is the prettiest queen. Prettiest queen. Yes, is the prettiest queen. Right? Double superlatives. Yes, so we should not use double superlatives also. Yes, we should not use double comparatives, we should not use double superlatives also. Okay, these double comparatives and superlatives will get in the form of sentences. Okay, when you go to higher classes, you will have much more advanced way of learning them. Okay, here in 6th and 7th you have only words. Okay, so I'll give you a few adjectives. Shall we change them? Yes, I'll give you a few examples of these adjectives. We'll change them. Okay, one exercise I'll give you, right? Yes, how to change them. Okay, now in my next video, if possible, I'll say that one. Okay? Yes, or otherwise also we already had it. Yes, we had a practice of that. So next class, I'll come with another better topic for your grammar. Right? Okay, please practice all the 7 rules. No double comparisons, no double superlatives also. Okay, please remember that and then change it while changing them. One syllabic adjectives, more than one syllable, like that. If you remember that, it will be very easy to change the degrees of comparison. Right? Thank you very much for listening.